during the 2008 playoffs. He put the Boston Celtics in a body bag.
Now they switch, and here's Pierce again. A Smith screen. Posey will defend. Oh! LeBron James, with no regard for human life, has given the Cavaliers their biggest lead tonight.
Yeah, LeBron's not someone you want to mess with, and neither is Giannis. Cause in number 15, he hit one of the craziest dunks of all time and didn't even know it.
Here's Middleton, Giannis trailing the lob. Oh! Giannis Antetokounmpo from Chris Middleton.
I did not see Tim Hardaway under me, so I just went up there and just went hard and tried to get the ball and dunk the ball.
Man, Giannis had his head in the clouds. But Tracy McGrady got even higher, cause in number 14, he dunked on a giant, 7'6", Sean Bradley.
That sets a one. Here comes McCready. Oh, he just sucked the gravity right out of the building. What a play by T-Man.
Damn, the man was helpless. But everyone's helpless when they step up to Paul George. Cause in number 13, he turned an NBA game into the dunk contest.
Got that steal too.
And here he goes.
Here we go.
PG.
What you got?
Puts
Oh yeah! Oh yeah, PG.
That is the one.
That has
There's no
to be the
question.
one.